Hey, what the frick going on? What the frick going on? Healing through inspiration? How the frick y'all doing? Sis. Motherfucking hit the knife. Whoop. Let me wipe it off. God dang it. Motherfucking rag. God dang it. Hey. Look, yo. It's a motherfucking great day. Make sure you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation. You can do it by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post there on a regular, so go ahead and check us out. Yeah. Okay, and also too, if you guys want to have a business card, we got an online business card for you guys. We signed up for ourselves. We took it for ourselves. Best course we ever took ever. Literally in the description box below. Go do that. And also we got our American apparel. And we also have our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go get them. But you guys in this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Do all that, hit the bell notification. Hey. Man, you already know I got this motherfucking Aloe Vera. Got the 2-strand twist that will convert it from finger curls into two-strand twist. See how they holding up? You know, one thing about, I just got the shower, by the way, so man's was in there getting clean. Yeah, I probably couldn't see that. I just cut that. But you know, about to cut this piece, right about this much. About to be a lot of aloes. About to look moist because I want my hair to be moisturized. So yeah. Went out to the store, got some aloe, got like 3 aloe leaves. It was four left. One of them had a hole in the back, so I didn't get the 4th one. But I ended up getting more because I plan on doing a dry fast, another dry fast. Plan on going for 10 days. I know. This is my first time ever saying it on camera. I was going to start today. It kind of did, but it was just like, I still had some food left, and I wanted to be like, hey, when we go in, we got to go all in all the way. So let's prepare. You dig? Ooh, look at that motherfucking aloe. Oh, she won't leave me. Aloe. Hey. But yeah, since I got in the shower, I'm going to be using it on the top of my head. Hair on the top of my head. And I'm going to be using the hair on, yeah, let me go ahead and cut the ribs. The ridges, I should say. Just so, because when I rub it on. Feel me? So. Y'all ever see me quiet because I'm focused? Let me get some water. I'm not even gonna hold you up. Well, yeah. But yeah, just prepare myself pretty much for this dry fast. So I've been transitioning with. I had 2 meals, 2 salads or whatnot. I think some of the aloe must have went in my mouth somehow. But yeah, I'm just getting in this aloe in this thing. Making sure my hands moisturized. My 2-strand twist is like holding up, bro. It's been holding up, like literally. I forgot. It's been so long since I did like a 2-strand twist, like before this one. But it hold up, especially since like the finger coil, so and the pattern too. So I'm really glad how that turned out. Woo. Yeah. Can't forget the facial hair. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Must be tired. I can't believe I said that. I'm doing a 10-day dry fast. Holy cow, bro. Wanted to get some more aloe too for it, because, you know, since I'm be doing a dry fast, I'm still going to moisturize. Because I got a dog I got to take care of. I'm going to be in contact with water. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's still a dry fast regardless. But it's like, hey, shoot, man. I know, y'all know I was filming live when I did the 3-day fast. Y'all saw that, man. I mean, shoot. I mean, when I was out in that sun, I was so tired. You know, a lot of times I did want to drink water. Maybe looking back, I wanted to drink more water more than some. But hey, yeah. Mm-hmm. Shoot. All right. I don't want to go through a rush. Be pulling hairs that don't need to be pulled. Take my time with it, go slow. Glad I got it moisturized. It's going a lot more gradual. You rush through it, you lose a lot of growth, man. Picking out your beard when it's supposed to be going in. Mm-hmm. For real. Yay. Put that aloe on the lips. Looking like this. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Put them more on the hair if I wanted to. But, whew, as I was saying, bro, I'm surprised this thing held up. Wanted to get it moisturized. I feel like because my hair needed to be moisturized. So it was telling me, because you know the body talks without a doubt. Without a doubt. Ooh. And people who say the hair gets itchy or whatever, it's like they're scratching. That's hair needs to be moisturized. The irritation going on for sure. Mm-hmm. Like I said to y'all before, I wish I would have been started putting aloe like I grew up with aloe, but hey. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. I don't really care if I think if it whatever they call it messy, because I don't even know. I don't know what that is. Somebody said that. Oh, that feels so great. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Oh. Can't forget the back. Yeah. Here we go. I might retwist them and do something with them. Y'all gonna see in the next video, but hey. Oh, look at these. I like them out here shining though. Y'all niggas see me? Y'all niggas see me? Yes, sir. Hey, I like it a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna see in the next video. Right, my hair feels rather refreshing. That's why I really like using aloe. It's a cooling type of thing, you dig? Very cooling. Cutting the aloe out, just get more of the juices, the liquid, you feel me? So I can spread on my hair. Oh yes. But yeah, you guys gonna book a one-on-one consultation. You can do this by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can DM us on Instagram. When we post there on the regular, you dig. Make sure you guys give it our business course, amazing apparel. We got for you guys t-shirts, socks, hats. You dig. However you feeling. Go ahead, check us out. We got hoodies too. I ain't gonna lie to. Yeah. Go ahead, check that out. And feels so great. I'm not gonna stop using this. But hey, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Make sure you guys create, do something, make a change in your life. All right, peace, love, and light. Check out the links in the description. Bye.